Maths is fun. We learn cool things every day. Today, we will learn about collecting and displaying data.
Luke needed help with his homework. He asked Suzie the scientist for help. "I need to collect seashells for my homework," Luke said to Suzie. "And I need to sort them into groups," he added. "Wow, that sounds like fun," said Suzie. Luke and Suzie went to the beach to collect seashells. "Look at this one," cried Luke. "It's pink." "It's beautiful," said Suzie. "Do you know what type of shell that is?" "No," replied Luke. "It's a scallop shell," said Suzie. "You should be able to find lots of these. See how many you can collect." Luke went to look for more scallop shells. "How many scallop shells did you collect?" asked Suzie. "I don't know," Luke replied, "but I can count them like this," he said. Luke made tally marks in the sand as he counted out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. "I have 12 scallop shells," Luke said. 2 groups of 5 plus 2 more. 5 plus 5 plus 2 equals 12.
Using tally marks in groups of 5 is a good way to count large numbers of objects.
"Look at these shells," said Suzie. "They are limpet shells." "And this one is a sea snail shell," she added. "Let's see how many of each type we can collect." Luke and Suzie went to look for more shells. They came back and sorted their shells into 2 groups. Luke counted the sea snail shells by making tally marks in the sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. "I have 6 sea snail shells," he said. 1 group of 5 plus 1 more. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Suzie counted the limpet shells. "I have 6 limpet shells," she said. "I had 3 and then I collected 3 more. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Back at school, Luke asked Millie the Mathematician for help. "I need to show my teacher how many of each shell I collected. Can you please help?" he asked Millie. "Of course," replied Millie. "How many shells did you collect?" 12 scallop shells, replied Luke, "and 6 limpet shells and 6 sea snail shells," he added. "That's 24 in total," said Millie. 12 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. "We could use a data table to show how many shells you collected," said Millie. "It would look like this." "Or maybe we could use a picture graph," she added. "It would look like this." "We could also use a pie chart," she said. "It would look like this." "What does the pie chart show?" asked Luke. "It shows that 1/2 of the shells collected were scallop shells," replied Millie, "and 1/4 were limpet shells, and 1/4 were sea snail shells," she added. Said Luke. "I think I will show my teacher the picture graph."
Wow, collecting and displaying data is cool, and so is maths.